Good morning, traders. Steve Ribble with Trader Tax Coach here, bringing you another brief tax topic video. Futures are very popular among traders today. I myself trade ES and NQ. So today I thought I would review Section 1256 contracts, what they are, and how they're taxed. Let's begin by reviewing how they are taxed. One of the big advantages of Section 1256 or futures contracts is that trading gains are taxed 60% long-term and 40% short-term. This happens automatically, and there's no special election that a trader has to make in order to get this tax rate. It also doesn't matter how long you've held that futures contract. This is the default taxation method. If you look at the current max blended rate of 60/40, it comes out to 23%. The current ordinary income top tax rate is 35%, and that comes out to a 12% tax difference. Another big advantage of futures contracts is that you can actually carry losses back up to 3 years. They only count against Section 1256 gains, but this is another big advantage because you're not able to carry back losses if you trade stocks, ETFs, or other types of securities. Your gains and losses are reported on Form 6781. So let's look at a quick example. Here we've got a normal trader, trades stocks, and we've got a futures trader under the 60/40 tax rate. They both have $100,000 gains. They're both single. Now, the normal tax rate comes out to a little over $19,000. But if you look at the blended rate, it comes out to just under $12,700. And that comes out to just over a $6,400 difference. That is a huge, huge tax difference. And that also illustrates why profitable futures traders usually skip electing mark-to-market accounting, because it's a much more favorable tax rate at 60/40. So what are 1256 contracts? They're broken down into 3 categories. You've got regulated futures contracts, which comprise of ES and NQ and TF and CL and other types of contracts like that. You've got foreign currency futures contracts, such as the 6Es and the 6As, etc. Then the third category is non-equity options. And this is broken into 4 different categories. You've got debt options, you've got commodity future options, currency options, and broad-based stock index options. Now, broad-based stock index options, these are based upon the value of a group of diversified stocks or securities, usually 10 or more. S&P 500 would be an example. This is an area that there causes some confusion out there, so let's look at what's classified as a broad-based equity index option. I've put a list of them up here, so if you happen to trade some of these, such as options on NQ or ES or YM, or more specifically SPX or NDX and RUT, the Russell 2000, you actually qualify for the lower 60/40 tax rate, something that you might not have been aware of. A word of caution here. You'll notice that there was 2 things missing from this list, such as SPY and triple Qs. Well, that's because the IRS doesn't classify those as Section 1256 contracts. They are treated and taxed as equities. So options on SPY, options on triple Q, those are going to get taxed as equities as well. For a coach's tip, if you do trade options on SPY or triple Q, you may consider trading options on SPX and NDX instead in order to shrink your tax bill. So that's it, and kind of wraps up what Section 1256 contracts are and how they are taxed. I want to leave you with a quote from Judge Learned Hand. Anyone may arrange his affairs so that his taxes shall be as low as possible. He is not bound to choose that pattern which best pays the Treasury. There is not even a patriotic duty to increase one's taxes. Over and over again, the courts have said that there is nothing sinister in so arranging one's affairs to keep taxes as low as possible. The reason I put this quote up here is that this is the core philosophy behind Trader Tax Coach. We go beyond just putting the right numbers in the right boxes. We take a proactive approach using court-tested and IRS-approved methods to help you, the trader, pay the least amount of tax possible. Most tax professionals don't understand trader taxation. At Trader Tax Coach, we not only specialize in trader taxation, we're traders ourselves. That gives us a very unique insight into the tax issues that you as a trader are faced with. So how can we help you? If you are unsure if you qualify for trader status or not, go to our website at tradertaxcoach.net, go to the section of trader status, and take our free trader evaluation. We'll evaluate your current situation and help you determine if you're going to be able to file as a trader or not. We can also review your previous 3 years of tax returns for free. So if you have had them filed elsewhere and you're unsure if you've got every deduction or took advantage of every tax break that you were able to, give us a copy of those returns. We'll be happy to review them and make sure that you were getting every deduction that you had coming to you. If you're wanting to consider mark-to-market election, we can help you go through the ins and outs of that. And also, if you decide to do it, we can help you in filing the election in a timely fashion. If you're considering trading through an entity, we can help you with the consultation and formation, helping you determine which structure is the best for your situation, and then helping you file the correct papers and getting all of that done. We offer payroll services for those traders that want to pay themselves out an income, and obviously tax preparation. The last thing is tax planning and tax consultations. Our clients don't pay extra fees for these services. They're included in the flat fee that we charge for the tax work that we do. What that means is you don't get additional bills. If you have questions throughout the year, you can contact us via phone, via email, and we're going to answer those questions and make sure you have the best advice possible going forward. If you have any further tax questions, you can reach out to us at info@tradertaxcoach.net. info@tradertaxcoach.net. Traders, I appreciate your time today. And my contact information is up here. So if you want to reach out to us and get a hold of us, I gave you the email address at info@tradertaxcoach.net. You can reach out to us on the web at tradertaxcoach.net, and you can get additional information on trader tax status and different way things are taxed. You can also follow us on Twitter and get the latest trader tax news at Trader Tax Coach.